Hello friend, I am Ankit Pandey from 10th C of GDRP SBM and KE. Today, in this video, I am going to tell you about types of chemical reaction. Before knowing the types of chemical reaction, we should know about chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is the process in which new substances are formed with new properties. In a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change to those of another element, but only a rearrangement of atom takes place. The most important topic related to chemical reaction is reactant and product. Reactant, the substance which takes part in a chemical reaction, is known as reactant, and product, the substance which is formed by the result of chemical reaction, is known as product. As for example, when magnesium ribbon is formed in the presence of oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. In this case, magnesium and oxygen are reactant and magnesium oxide is product, because magnesium and oxygen takes place in chemical reaction and magnesium oxide is the result of chemical reaction. Now, types of chemical reaction. There are 5 types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and last one is oxidation and reduction reaction. Combination reaction, those reactions in which two substances are combined to form a single substance is known as combination reaction. As when hydrogen is heated in the presence of oxygen, then water is formed. In this case, hydrogen and oxygen are two substances, but water is only one substance. Decomposition reaction, those reactions in which a compound decomposes or is split up into two or more simpler substances is known as decomposition reaction. As when calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Displacement reaction, those reactions in which an element takes the place of another element in a compound is called displacement reaction. As for example, when a strip of zinc metal is added with copper sulfate solution, then the zinc metal displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution to form zinc sulfate solution and copper. Another example, when a piece of magnesium is added with copper sulfate solution, then magnesium displaces the zinc from copper sulfate solution to form magnesium sulfate solution and copper. Now, double displacement reaction, those reactions in which two compounds exchange to form two more new compounds is known as double displacement reaction. As when silver nitrate is added with sodium chloride, then silver chloride and sodium nitrate is formed. Now, oxidation and reduction reaction. The addition of oxygen in a substance is known as oxidation reaction, or the removal of hydrogen from a substance is known as oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. The addition of hydrogen to a substance is known as a reduction reaction, or the removal of oxygen from a substance is reduction reaction. As for when cuprous oxide is react with hydrogen, then copper and water is formed. In this reaction, oxygen is removed from copper and oxygen is also added to hydrogen. So in this reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. Another example, when hydrogen sulfide react with chloride, then sulfur and hydrochloric acid is formed. In this reaction, hydrogen is removed from sulfur and added to chloride. So oxidation and reduction reaction both are take place. Thanks.